10 years of work to reduce excessive drinking in our area is culminating at a conference today. The La Crosse Medical Health Science Consortium is winding down on its alcohol grant funding, and they're reflecting on the work they've done so far.
News 8's Sarah Tamer is here to tell us how one organization is hoping to pick up the baton on this effort. Sarah?
Organizers with Changing the Culture of Risky Drinking Behavior Coalition are planning to work closely with the La Crosse Police Department to help change some of what they say are risky drinking behaviors in our area. Officers I spoke to tell me although the drinking culture in La Crosse has gotten better, there is always more work to do.
Efforts to reduce binge drinking in La Crosse have been around for a while, but a new partnership is hoping to bring new changes.
When police are brought into the equation, it's sort of like a synergy takes place and so much more can be accomplished.
The Coalition for Changing the Culture of Risky Drinking Behavior is partnering with the La Crosse Police Department to find more ways to decrease the city's drinking habits.
Police officers have an insight into what's happening in the community that goes beyond what the average citizen might know.
Captain Jason Melby with the La Crosse Police Department says writing tickets for underage drinking and over-serving tickets doesn't actually change the drinking culture in the city, which is why he says working with community-based organizations can benefit the city in a number of ways.
And we started expanding into doing compliance checks, where we're sending a youth into the local retailers and the beverage establishments to do purchases to see if they are carding them or IDing them. Really raises a lot of awareness and changes.
Melby says, in fact, excessive drinking in the area has improved, although there is work to be done. Kondracki says it's not about eliminating alcohol consumption in the community, rather it's creating a safer place for everyone in it,
where people can consume alcohol if they choose to in a safe and reasonable way.
Organizers I spoke to today say ultimately the goal is to educate the public and look at different ordinances that can help regulate some of the drinking habits in the community. In an effort to limit binge drinking in La Crosse, former City Council member Bob Sequest proposed a restriction on alcohol sales which would have limited all-you-can-drink specials. However, that proposal was voted down.
Thanks a lot, Sarah. And organizers and police also say that this added efforts are in part because of the number of fatalities and injuries that have been caused due to excessive drinking.